Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory with only 16,397 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with an Acropovic carbon fiber slip-on muffler, Rizoma mini LED front turn signals, a rear fender illuminator kit, frame sliders, and a Brembo RCS adjustable front brake lever with an adjustable leverage ratio master cylinder. The Tuono V4 factory was built to thrive on the street or track, showcasing Aprilia's race-winning prowess and street-legal form. Powered by a 1077cc four-cylinder engine, the Tuono puts 175 horsepower and 89 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 407 pounds and has a 32.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.